I've got some Ipsy drop shop orders, so if you want to see what I chose, then stay tuned. Hi, and welcome to our channel. My name is Tracy. Bandit's on my lap. You can't see him, but maybe his little head will pop up. And Chloe's just off doing Chloe things. But if you're new, welcome. Thanks so much for checking us out. And if you're returning, thank you so much for being a part of our YouTube family. So this is, I don't know if it was a drop shop, but it was one of their most recent shops. So I did order the Can't Stop Startin' mascara because I really like it. I got a sample size of one of these for $10. This was $12, so I thought $2 more and I'm getting a full size. Absolutely, I do love the mascara. And then they had these little sets. So which one is this? I got a few of them. Oh, okay. This is the, I don't know what this is. I was going to say it's awfully small. I didn't know if I had this or not, but it was a good enough price that I thought, well, if I do have it, I can pass it along. This is the Natasha Denona Sunrise Palette. And these typically go for around $55, but it was $24. And I thought that's just so stunning that if I do have it, I'm just going to pass that on to somebody else. So this is just all thrown in here. I thought it would have been separated out because these were sets, but I'll go over. First one is the Ole Henriksen set. We have the Strength Trainer Peptide Boost Moisturizer. And there's how that looks. The Double Rewind Pro Grade 0.3% Retinol Serum. The Hydra Barrier Nourishing Face Oil. So I think this is what I'm using right now, and I really like it. I use it at night. It is, yes. And it kind of has a fruity scent to it, but not heavy. And I really like it. I've been using this every night. And the last item is the Banana Bright Eye Cream. So it was a whole Ole Henriksen set. And I have been liking the items that I've gotten. So I was excited to see this little put together. Next, we have something that was all scents. So I think they were all by Fresh. So we have the Fresh Rose Morning Body and Hand Wash. And I mean, who couldn't use hand wash, right? Smells very nice. We have the Fresh Hesperides Grapefruit. This is going to be, I believe, a perfume. Oh, it is. It smells very grapefruit. Oh, I like that. And the Lily Jasmine Eau de Parfum. That is more of their full size. Oh, that's very pretty. I like that. And then the last set I got was by Buxom. And we have their Powerful Plump Lip Balm. And this is in the shade Inner Glow. So there's how it looks. Ooh, that's pretty. I like that. Then we have the Plump Shot Collagen Infused Lip Serum. So I probably should have opened this first and put this on first. This is their filler, so it's just going to be a clear. The Power Liner, and this is a plumping liner, and this is in the shade Hush Hush Henna. So that goes nicely with the shade I just put on, and look at that. So, you know, not only can you line, but you can do a little bit of a fill and then kind of smudge in. Then to go over it all, we have the full-on plumping lip polish in the shade Sandy. There we go. And so that's just a very light, I think that's going to look really pretty. So I think all of those would go together. and this smells like cake. And then the last thing is their mascara, and this is the Blackest Black Mascara, and it doesn't show you, oh, it does show you. So there's what the wand looks like. Hopefully that's coming out. Like I'm getting, either it looks too dark or I'm getting a glare, but here we go. Oh, I can feel that plumper working though. Okay, so that is my Ipsy order. Again, I don't know if it was drop shop or what it was, but it was things that they had kind of put together as a set for a value price. And yeah, I'm really excited about what I'm going to keep and what I'm going to gift. All right, well, that's all I have for now. Thank you so much for spending a little time with me. Please consider hitting that like, subscribe, and notification bell, and hopefully I'll see you soon.